Hi there, today we're taking a look at the TTfone TT280. Let's open it up and see what we've got. USB charging cable, phone protector case as our mains charger, that's the charging dock, and it even comes with a SIM card so you can get up and running using your phone immediately. You haven't got to go out to the store and pick up a SIM card. Everything you need is right here. And of course there's the phone itself. So inside we've got the phone itself, another cable, so that's a USB-C cable you can use just for the phone, and the battery for the phone. So let's get that all assembled and fire it up. Okay, so getting the battery in was really straightforward. There's a little sticker that has open back cover here. Really easy, just put your nail in and pull. You can't ask for it to be any easier. Inside, there's an adapter so that you can use a different size of SIM card to make sure your SIM card is going to fit the phone. Really handy. So some stats on the phone. The phone actually runs Android 13, which connects to the Play Store, so you can download apps like any other phone, but use it in a more simple, stripped-back way. This phone being what's called a dumb phone, great for digital detox, absolutely amazing for that. So I'll just get us through the welcome screen and then we'll have a look at the main menu. So what you're getting with this phone is a mixture of a touchscreen phone and one with big physical buttons, really easy to use, so that you can use it the way that suits you. So let's go through the menu. Everything's really simple. You just swipe across to get to the different apps that are already preloaded, including, of course, Play Store to add more apps of your own. And although this phone is great for a digital detox, you don't have to lose the functional apps that help your life to go. Things like Google Maps still works just fine, so you can always find your way using your phone. So the phone's got a 2-megapixel camera on the back, as well as a selfie camera, so you can use the phone for taking pictures as well as having video calls. Also, getting through the menus and using the phone isn't a slow experience by any means. It's got 2 GB of RAM and 16 GB of memory, so it's really not a bad phone to use at all. To charge the phone, you can just connect a normal USB-C cable like the one that comes with the phone and directly put it into the bottom of the phone. Or you can charge the phone using the optional charging dock. Once you connect this up, cable in the back, into the wall, you can just drop your phone on and it's going to be charging. As simple as that. No messing with cables every single time. And there's that clear protective case. This is an optional extra and you can just put it on by squeezing it over the phone, and that's going to keep it really well protected, as well as making it a little bit more grippy if that's something that's important to you. When it comes to making calls or sending texts, the phone is unlocked, it's 4G, and it'll work with all networks. And if you're sick of phones that die or need replacing every year, this one, a 2-year warranty. Optionally, you can have a SIM card come with the phone, either simply a free one that you top up, or one that comes with credit already on it. So, the TTfone 280. If you want to get one for yourself, check the link in the description, which will take you to ttfone.com. TTfone, because it's easy.